Welcome to Mera Udyog. In this video, we will learn how to handle the employee exit process smoothly and efficiently. Once you navigate to the dashboard, go to the HR management, then head to My Data and then click on Resignation and Exit. Here you will find the option to apply for resignation. Click on Apply for Resignation and the exit request form will appear. In this form, you can select the reason, notice period in days, view the expected last working day, which is auto calculated, choose your reporting manager, select the assigned HR representative, add any additional comments or feedback. After filling in the required details, click on Submit Exit Request. Your resignation request will now be sent to HR for review and approval. Next, to manage exit requests, go to the HR management, then operations, and click on Exit Process. Here you will find the exit process management dashboard where you can view total exit, track pending approval, monitor exit in progress, check completed exits. Below this, you will find the exit request to review, where all the submitted resignation requests are listed with employee details, last working date, status, and workflows. Acknowledge resignation, revoke system access, collect company assets, schedule exit interview, full and final settlement. These tasks help to ensure a smooth and structured offboarding process. Once a resignation is approved, these tasks are automatically assigned and HR can track their progress step by step. And that's how you can easily manage employee resignation and handle the entire exit process seamlessly in Mera Udyog. Thank you.